Oh my goodness. Wait until you hear this. WallStreetBets, the people behind the current run-up on GameStop stock, as well as many others such as AMC, has been banned. That's right, you are not able to see WallStreetBets discussions anymore. Let's talk about that. This is the community behind these giant moves on GameStop stock and AMC, as well as others. They are millions of followers. We're gonna be discussing this. What is going on? Welcome to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where we teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market. If you are new here to our community, what in the world are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. That way you join the Flaming Profits community, where we know that a wage makes you a living, but profits make you a fortune. We cover all sorts of topics, finance related, credit card, stock market, real estate, anything like that. So if this is of interest to you, make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. Let me ask you a very serious question. Do you like free money? Then what in the world are you waiting for? Get your free stocks with WeBull and Robinhood. I'll have the links in the description. That is 3 free stocks absolutely for free. And then M1 Finance, another amazing brokerage, is going to give you $10 as soon as you begin investing with them. And then my favorite, the Discover Secure credit card, they're going to give you $50 of absolutely free spending money, and it helps you build your credit. All the links are down below. Alright, so let's get into the video. So yes, WallStreetBets is a community on Reddit that has millions and millions of followers. These are people who spend a lot of time speculating in the stock market. Their trades are very, very risky. They've been known to make millions of dollars and lose millions of dollars. They definitely do not consider fundamentals or technical analysis. It's more just like risky investing, but they're basically betting. They have it in their name, WallStreetBets. And recently today, Reddit has basically made them go private, so no one from the public has access to what they're discussing anymore. And a lot of Redditors are protesting against this. This has a lot to do with big companies like Twitter, Facebook. They're all censoring or limiting what people can post. So they started saying that their chat started to get violent and insulting people, and even accused of physical violence to a lot of people. And I think this was mainly had to do with how they were arguing with Wall Street and hedge fund managers. And they started basically doing a lot of things that were questionable. And Reddit basically had to prohibit any more posting publicly from the thread. And Reddit, and there's this article. It goes in depth on exactly what happened, but yeah. So the WallStreetBets server has been our trust and safety team's radar, and they're monitoring everything now. And a lot of people from this community are very freaked out because now they have no way of communicating, because their server in Discord chat has been banned as well, so they can no longer communicate to each other. So we don't really know what's going to happen to what they've been doing with GameStop and AMC and other trades. Are they going to continue going? What are they going to do now that they can't really communicate with each other? Is this going to make them even more mad and trade the stock even higher and buy like crazy? This is definitely a very unique situation in the stock market that I've personally never seen before, but the things that they've been able to do are outstanding. They were able to basically bring a stock that was worth $5 all the way to $340, $330 in a matter of weeks. This is absolutely crazy, and this is definitely not a safe investment at all. Whoever's at the end of this will definitely get hurt, because as soon as everybody starts selling, the stock will plummet down below. Even the SEC is involved now, and they've been saying that they're taking a very close look at this situation. And you know what's crazy? Some brokerages are even not allowing you to buy any of these stocks anymore. Like GameStop, TD Ameritrade literally banned every single one of their users from buying GameStop stock. what do you guys think of this? I think this is absolutely crazy. I don't think any brokerage should ever limit or tell people you can't buy the stock in our platform. I think that is absolutely crazy, and that's not how brokerages should act. If you want to buy a stock, even though it's risky, it should be your decision, not the brokerage's decision. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below regarding this. But yeah, this is absolutely crazy. So now they don't have any way of communicating. Their Discord chat for Wall Street Bets is not available. The Reddit thread that is the main platform they used to discuss and have their community is now private. So you need to be invited in order for you to join the discussion. But not a lot of people have invites. So we don't really know what's going to happen. I heard their plan was to make GameStop go all the way to $1,000 a share. So this could go two ways. One is this could be seen as basically that big fund managers and the government are trying to stop the little guys, and they're gonna get very mad about this, and they're gonna go all into GameStop and AMC along with other stocks. So it could be almost like fueling the fire, as you say it. But it could also go another way. Now that they don't have communication, how are they gonna know what they're supposed to do and what the plan is? So it might all tumble down from here and on. So we don't really know, but I think one of those two scenarios could happen. I personally think it's gonna continue to go up, but eventually this does have to come down eventually. Right now it's at 347. Imagine how much money you would have made buying the shares at around $5 and selling now. There's literally people who have become millionaires. I even heard a story on a news article that someone became a billionaire from GameStop. That is absolutely crazy. Imagine you saying you became a billionaire by investing in GameStop during this. This will definitely not last long. It shouldn't go more than this week probably, but we'll see what happens. This is AMC stock. Now I do have an open position in AMC stock, but it's a very small position. I only have around 35 shares in the stock. I might just sell tomorrow. This is just play money. I definitely do not recommend you to invest like this. This is very risky and it'll come down eventually. This is just money that I can afford to risk, and I'm just making a quick profit. Now there is another platform called StockTwits. I don't know if you've ever heard of this platform, but I've used it for a long time. Basically, you can go in here and then search for any stock that you want, and you're gonna see people discussing the stock live. So you'll be able to see what they're saying exactly as I post it. And right now they have the trending stocks. AMC is number 1. So it was up today around 301% during the day. And we don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, but it is down after hours right now. And as you can see here, the platform is even having issues. They're having a lot of slowness. You can see my screen is very buggy, and this has to do with the website getting a lot of traffic. The subreddit WallStreetBets was also getting a ton of traffic during this time, and as you see there, the new AMC post, they're piling up like crazy. This is not how any conversation goes, where you're literally getting hundreds of new posts but you just scrolling for a little bit. So this is absolutely crazy. And if you haven't used StockTwits, I do recommend it. It's definitely not investing advice, but it's good to go on here eventually to just see what the people are saying about a particular stock. I use it for earnings plays, and yeah, so I really like this platform. But as you can see here, everybody's going crazy regarding AMC and GameStop. Let me explain to you exactly what is going on and why this is happening. So basically, during what's going on right now in the world, a lot of stocks started to get shorted, which means that Wall Street and huge investors that have hedge firms are basically shorting the stock. They're making the stock, they basically make money as the stock goes down. So the more the stock goes down, the more money they make. So what WallStreetBets decided to do is they took a list of the most shorted stocks in the stock market, and they decided to start buying them like crazy. That way, whenever the stock goes up, Wall Street is gonna lose a lot of money, but normal retail investors are going to make a lot of money. So basically, the more the stock goes up in value, that means that the hedge funds, they actually have to buy the shares that are currently selling for at the current prices. So right now that GameStop is 300, the people that were shorting the stock now have to buy the shares at that price because of their shorting position. So basically, they're gonna buy at ridiculous prices as long as they continue making the price go up. So it's basically a battle between retail investors and large hedge funds that manage billions and billions of dollars. And basically, WallStreetBets is trying to prove that they have more power and that Wall Street doesn't have all the control or hedge funds. So this is what all this is about. It's basically just stock market drama. I would definitely not get involved. You should not stay away from safe, good, strong investment principles, but it's kind of interesting to follow along, especially for stock nerds like probably me and you. Alright, so thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Make sure you like this video and leave me a comment down below. Do you have any open positions in GameStop or AMC right now? What do you think of this? What's going on? Are you participating in this or not? Let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure you join the Flaming Profits community by hitting the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon. That way you get notified as soon as we release brand new videos. Peace.